Hello internet world and welcome to my unboxing of the Ring Door View Cam. This is a new video doorbell from Ring, which is very easy to install and also allows you to have a peephole as well. Now if you want to see my full review of this product, please do check the link in the video description. As soon as that goes online, you'll find a link down there so you can see my viewpoint and opinion about this product. So let's get this unboxed and see what we get inside the packaging. So we've got an inner box here with Ring written on it, and then a nice little welcome there. It says say hello to Ring. I'm assuming this has got some paperwork inside. We'll take a look inside that in a short while. Inside here we get the video doorbell itself, and this is quite a bit different to what we've seen from the company previously, because this goes through either an existing peephole in your door, or indeed you could drill a hole through your door to accommodate this. But you can remove your existing peephole and actually replace it with this video doorbell. And then you get the benefits of both the peephole, which you can view from the opposing side of the door, and indeed the externally facing camera, which integrates really well with the app. And then this is the back piece that goes on the inside of your door, and this also houses a battery. So this is fully wireless battery operated. We've also got in here the quick release battery pack. So this is what's going to actually power the doorbell. This is also rechargeable via micro USB, and this pushes into the back of that section there. We've also got some extra additional little pieces. This one here is if your peephole needs to be made a little bit smaller. So this actually adjusts the size of your peephole. And then we've got this additional piece here, which is like a threaded piece that actually locks everything together. We've also got some additional tools just in here. Let's have a look under here. So here we've got the little charging cable. We've also got an additional little tool. I'm assuming this is for actually releasing or unscrewing your existing peephole from the door. That's pretty much it in that section there, and the bottom section is completely empty. So let's have a look inside this welcome pack as well. Spare connector cable. Oh right, so this is actually for connecting the battery to the doorbell. It's like a ribbon type cable, and they've included a spare one inside this pack. And then further down inside here, we've got some additional paperwork. So if you are using a security type device and actually recording video, many countries require you to actually display a sticker in your window, just letting people know that you are recording, and Ring supply these in pretty much every main language. We've got here attention Ring, audio and video recording, supplied in all different languages. And then we've also got some additional pieces here about the Ring Protect plans. We've got some regulatory information here in various languages about the battery. And then we've also got the main user guide. And this is going to guide you through just how easy it is to set up and get your Ring camera or doorbell up and running. So this was my unboxing and first look at the Ring Door View Cam. Very interesting device. I already use a Ring video doorbell, so I'm familiar with these products, but this is completely wireless, and I'm really excited to actually get this installed and bring you my full review. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and please also check out the links down in the video description to where you can pick this up for yourself, and also to the Ring website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.